Thank you very much. Cherries, Enrich, Fight, TC, lahat. Grabe. Alam nyo, sasabihin ko, this is the happiest birthday talaga. In 2010 is the happiest birthday. Parang everything's complete. And I'm with you guys. Grabe. Una ko na masarap yung pagkain. Naubos ko yung pagkain ko. And second,
yung frozen masarap. Nakailang rice ka. Nakailang rice ka.
Grabe naman kayo. Isa yun. Pero naubos ko yung whole chicken. Anyway. I'm happy kasi I'm celebrating my birthday with you guys. And I don't have anyone to spend it with as much as I'm happy with you. Gusto ko lang sana sabihin na next year, I know that we'll be together, we'll be bigger, we'll be stronger, and I'm sure next year, mas malaki na naman to. Kasi last time doon tayo sa baba, ngayon nandito na tayo sa taas, so palaki ng malaki. And another thing is, gusto ko, katulad ng sinabi ni Tito Karen last time sa isang birthday celebration din na sana kapag nakikita niyo ako, I'm being an inspiration to you guys.
Yes, you
and for
are.
the better. Kunyari, may nagsabi sa inyo ng masama, just keep on doing good. And I know that I can be a role model for that. And I'll try my best to do that for you. Next year, bigger, better projects for us. And mas marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. Another thing is,
Anong shoutout mo?
thank you very much kasi kumbaga parte na kayo ng pamilya ko. Yung pagbigay niyo ng gift kay Mom, it's a big thing for me. Thank you very much. Yung pagdala niyo sa taping, thank you very much. And sa lahat ng mga Globies, I'm sure makikita niyo itong video na to. Thank you very much for all the support from Boys Town to my family, to our shows, everything. Pasensya na kung limited time tayo ngayon kasi I just found out yesterday na may cameo role ako sa Tanging Ina, so I'm going. So, kung wala man ako dito sa Christmas, at least I can give something for you para maalala niyo ako. And advance Merry Christmas to everyone. I'm very happy, and kayo, not just a fan, not just a supporter, but you're my friends already. So, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart.
I love you, Chong. Chong, anong shoutout mo? Shoutout mo.
Shout out, happiness,
Bukas.
positivity. Monday na yung sana.
Bukas. Di ba bukas?
29.
29. And yung mga gift nyo, I'll open it sa bahay. Kung may mga damit, I'm sure I'm gonna wear it sa first week ng shoutout.
Hey!
Smile!
Smile ka habang kinakain.